everyone, it's Wendy here, and as you guys can tell, I'm not a vlogger, but today my friend and I decided to do a sort of vlog to show you our experience with Xclusive Yacht Share. It's a luxury yacht sharing cruise operating in Dubai Marina, and it's powered by the only 5-star luxury yacht company in Dubai, Xclusive Yacht. So stay tuned and hope you like our video. We took a tram and dropped off Dubai Marina Mall and we head straight to Pier 7 restaurant. Park your car at lower car park of Dubai Marina Mall and just walk towards Pier 7 valet parking. They have standby coordinators at Pier 7 valet parking to assist you to the yacht. Upon arriving to the yacht, you will be welcomed on a red carpet. Just remove your shoes. Good morning. I'll put my shoes. Thank you. Get on board, log onto their sheet, grab some cold water, make yourself comfortable, and sit wherever you want. The yacht is huge, super clean, I'd say very well maintained, with plenty of room and spaces for everyone. There are like 20 of us on board, but everyone is enjoying their time, relaxing and enjoying the views.
And it can accommodate 1,400 guests in one rotation. It takes like 45 minutes in one complete of this cycle of this wheel.
We stop in front of the Atlantis Hotel, where you'll be given some time to snap some photos. Then we were called for a feast. I'd say it's a feast because there's so much food for everyone. They served croissants, fresh fruits, and you can make your own burger with plenty of soft drinks to choose from. Heading back to the marina is absolutely beautiful. The view of Dubai skyline is vibrantly breathtaking.
So now we have like 35 minutes remaining of our turn. So we are going to our next destination at Dubai Marina Canal. So in that area, there's no wave anymore.
I commend the captain and the crew for the 5-star customer service. Overall, this experience is a 2 thumbs up, and I would highly recommend for its very reasonable price. My friend and I enjoyed the experience, and it's worth vlogging for.